Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn Chinese characters.
他
Please watch my accurate pronunciation.
他 th a 他 他的 这是他的课本。这是他的课本。他人我们要尊重他人。我们要尊重他人。其他你还会其他的汉字吗？你还会其他的汉字吗？
Let me show you how to write this character. Pay attention to making this curve smooth and rounded. The left part should be written a bit narrower. This is a third-person pronoun, referring to other people besides oneself and the listener. It generally refers to the male gender. Nowadays, it also extends to meanings such as distant land and future days, representing distant places and the future. When writing this character, these two strokes are very important and need to be written well. That's all for this lesson. See you next class.